Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a dress for my wife.
Sure, what kind of dress are you looking for?
Something simple but elegant, not too flashy.
Okay, do you know her size?
I think she usually wears a medium, but I'm not sure.
No problem, many people guess the size. What color does she like?
She likes blue and soft colors.
Then I'd recommend this one. It's very popular and the fabric is comfortable.
It looks good. How much is it?
It's $45.
That's fine. If the size doesn't fit, can I return it?
Yes, of course. You can return or exchange it within 7 days.
Great. I'll take it.
All right, I'll pack it for you.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to return this dress.
May I ask why you're returning it?
Yes, the size didn't fit my wife.
I see. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Would you like a refund or an exchange?
I'd like a refund, please.
No problem. Did your wife try the dress on?
Yes, she did. It was just a little too tight.
That's okay. It happens often. I'll process the refund now.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Speaking practice. When the text is blue, talk to the speaker.
Hello, how can I help you today? May I ask why you're returning it? I see. Do you have the receipt? Would you like a refund or an exchange? No problem. Did your wife try the dress on? That's okay. It happens often. I'll process the refund now. You're welcome. Have a nice day.
That's all for today. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.